Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got new Dollar General digital coupons to clip to our accounts, and we have a couple of glitches to go over as well. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so because we are less than 100 people away from hitting 25,000 crazy couponers. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and also please give the video a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and take a second to share the video. All right, guys, let's jump right in. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into our new Dollar General digital coupons. Again, I apologize, guys. I really apologize. I meant to fix my tablet last week and get the screen recording and my software that I use for editing my videos. I wanted to get everything fixed, but unfortunately I just did not have time. I was pretty much consumed with the clearance event information and getting all those pictures and visuals and coupon matchups out to you guys. So I promise by next Sunday it will be fixed and the videos will look better. But until then, I'm going to show y'all what I've clipped to my account, and we're going to talk about some deals really quickly, alright? So, I went ahead and clipped the coupons because it was just taking forever to load. So, go ahead and clip your 5 off 25. 3 off 2 for the always discreet liners. If you want to pick up the 26 count, those are priced at $3. So, pick up 2, use the coupon, you're going to pay $3 for 2. So, really good deal. We have 5 off 2 for the always discreet pads. If you want to pick up the 20 count, they're priced at $5.95. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $6.90 for 2. If you have a store that has the Scott or the Cottonelle that they're manually marking down, I know the majority of it's already going to be gone, but I did have a store that was pretty smart about it, and they were kind of putting out a little bit at a time. So like one day they brought out the Angel Soft. Yesterday I did score some Cottonelle. So if you have one of the stores that are doing that, you might luck up and get some toilet paper for $1.50 today with those coupons. All right. So, but if not, it's okay. We do have instant savings on Scott products for instantly save 3 when you spend 15. That instant savings was supposed to expire on Saturday, but it did not. It is still there. So that is good. So if you want to pick up the 6 count, after the coupon, you're going to pay $2. If you want to pick up the 12 count, they're priced at $5. After the coupon, you pay $4. Same thing with the Cottonelle. If you want to pick up the 12 count, they're priced at $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4. Y'all go ahead and stock up on bath tissue, whether you're doing it during the clearance event or this week, because the prices are fixing to go up by $1. They're going to go to $5.95, $6. Okay? Next up, 1 off 1 for the Gain laundry products. They're $4.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. We do still have that DG Store coupon for spend 30, save 5 on Gain products. So we'll try to come up with a Gain deal. Let me go ahead and talk about the Scott paper towel coupon. We have a 1 off 1. There's been a lot of price jumps today or yesterday, whenever it happened. At some stores, for instance, when I look up these coupons, I check a couple of stores to see if there's any differences in price. At one of my stores, the price went up to $6.15. They used to be $5.95, so pretty big jump there. So $6.15. If that is your price at your store, you're going to pay $15.15 after the coupon, but we do have instant savings on Scott, okay? If they are still the regular price that we have had forever at $5.50, you're going to pay $4.50, okay? Just keep that in mind. All right, let's talk about this 3 off 2 for the Airwick scented oil products. We have 2 coupons. You're going to see the other one down here. Right there it is. Okay, they're both working on the same products. So, if you want to pick up these scented oil starter kits, those are priced at $3.50. So, pick up 2. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4 for 2. Both of these coupons are glitching, and they are working on the Airwick warmers. They're priced at $2 each. So, pick up 2, use that coupon, and you're going to pay $1 for 2 of the warmers. All right? Pretty good deal. Next up, we have 1 off 2 for the ground beef. 50 cents off for the Tide Simply. We do have some Tide Simply included in the clearance event. Not as much as we expected, but a lot of stores were manually marking it down. I've seen people making posts about it, so keep that in mind. And as we go through here, I'm going to point out some coupons that I know we have products for. I'm also going to be, as soon as I get this uploaded, I'm running to DG1 in particular because I have a couple of deals that I heard through the grapevine. I got an email last night. Thank you so, so much. And then I also got a heads up in the comments on one of my videos about a deal. So I'm going to try to go and find those. I'm pretty sure that they were at this one store. And if I do, I'll make a quick video on it and give you guys some more coupon matchups, all right? So there's that other 3 off 2. And if things don't work out, I will be making posts with visuals and coupon matchups in the community tab, all right? So, but either way, I'll bring you guys all of the new coupon matchups with the clearance event products, all right? So, next up, 1 off 1 for the Viva paper towels. The 6 count, they're priced at $6.50. So, after the coupon, you'll pay $5.50. Colgate. Couple of things on Colgate. Number 1, could mean overage today at the clearance event with that coupon, because we do have Colgate included. Number 2, we have instant savings this week. So when you spend $10 on Colgate, Suavitel, Irish Spring, soft soap, I'll pop it up here on the screen for y'all. You're going to instantly save $3 at the register. Now the Colgate has went up in price at some stores. It is now $3.05 for the Max Fresh toothpaste. If you can find a store where it is still $2.85, pick up 2, use the coupon. You're going to pay $2.70 for 2. If not, you're going to pay even more. With the $3.05, I wouldn't even pay that. I wouldn't even, not even with the coupon. That's ridiculous. All right, moving on. But keep in mind about the instant savings. Keep in mind about that. All right, 1 off 1 for the Bic razors. We have the men's Deuce 10 count razors. They're priced at $3. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2. We have another Tide coupon. We did have some Tide included in the clearance event. We have 3 off 1 for the Gain Flings. A 2 off 1 for the Colgate toothpaste. So if you want to pick up the Max Fresh at $2.85, use that 2 off 1 coupon. You're going to pay 85 cents. Or if you go out shopping today, be on the lookout for Colgate, because that's some overage right there with the 2 off 1 and the 3 off 2. Yes. Yes. Lots of overage. All right. 2 off 1 for the Downy. 3 off 1 for the All and Purex laundry detergents. Those are priced at $9. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $6. Suavitel, it's included in the instant savings. So 50 cents off 1. These are priced at $3.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3. But again, we're going to come up with some instant savings deals this week for sure. All right, 4 off 1 for the Chic Intuition razors. Those are priced at $7.65. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.65. 3 off 2 for the Garnier Fructis. We also have a 3 off 2 for the Whole Blends. Now, again, this is another product that jumped in price. So make sure that y'all are scanning, and scanning again. And you might want to check a couple of stores on their prices before you go out shopping, because there might be one 5 minutes down the road that's a lot cheaper. So on the Garnier, if you can find, if your stores are still marked down at the regular price that we've been paying, which is they start out at $3 on the shampoos, conditioners, and styling products, $3 each. If you pick up 2, use the coupon, you're going to pay $3 for 2. If your stores have already went up in price, you're going to pay $3.55 each. With the coupon, you're going to pay $4.10 for 2. Whole Blends. If your store is still at the regular $4.50, or I'm sorry, I think they were normally $3.50 or $3.25. Anyways, if they're still at the regular price, you're going to pay $4.50 for 2. If your prices have went up, they are now going to be $4 each. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $5 for 2. These prices are really hurting my heart, for real. Especially because I have to look at them every week, and I know what we've been paying. I know what we're going to pay, what we're looking like we're going to pay. We're going to be couponing just to get the normal price that we've been paying forever. You know what I mean? It really hurts my heart. I know that people are struggling. All right, we've got 3 off 1 for the Bic razors. So this works on the women's Soleil razors. They're priced at $5.10. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.10. We have 50 cents off for the Finish dishwasher tablets. There were some included in the clearance event, but we do have a higher value coupon. The higher value 1 off 1 coupon does work on the higher counts of Finish dishwasher tablets, but if you want to pick up a 12 count, those are priced at $4. This 50 cent off coupon does work on those as well. So after the coupon, you pay $3.50. I'm going to pass on that because hopefully I will find some more today. We're going to cross our fingers. All right, 1 off 1 for the Irish Spring Body Wash. It is included in the instant savings deal with the soft soap and Suavitel. So these are priced at $5 after the coupon. You're going to pay $4. And we do have some Irish Spring included in the clearance event. However, I don't know if it will work with this coupon. All right. Okay, so we're going to speed through some of these right here. I went ahead and clipped all of them. We've got Poise, Snapple, Kingsford, Rachel Ray, Extra Laundry Detergent, Motrin. Here's 2 I want to talk about. 4 off 1 for the CoverGirl eye products. So if you want to pick up the 2-count eyeliners, those are priced at $4.50. After the coupon, you pay 50 cents. We also have a 5 off 1 for the Bic Us razors. If you can find the women's 8-count, they're priced at $6. After the coupon, you're going to pay just $1. So really good deal there. Next up, 4 off 1 for the CoverGirl face products. Those start out at $6. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2. We have Angel Soft. This is on the higher count, so it's a little bit more pricey. We have 2 off 1 for the Jergens Natural, 3 off 1 for the Tide Pods. Again, there were some Tide Pods included in the clearance event. All right, craft dressing, Depends, Sparkle paper towels, again on the higher count, so it's a little bit more pricey. 2 off 1 for the CoverGirl lip products. Check out your clearance section, dig through that makeup because that could mean some overage. All right, now we're going to go through some DG store coupons. I am going to skip over the Unilever coupons for now, like the Dove, the Degree. We're going to talk about that at the end. But I'm going to go ahead and show you all. I clipped this one, the CoverGirl Clean and Beauty, the Nestle ice cream. We have Chips Ahoy and Sour Patch. We have 1 off 1 for the Rexall vitamins. As y'all know, a lot of these were included in the clearance event. I think that was on part 2 or part 3 of my clearance event videos. Tons of them. Tons and tons and tons. All right. Next up, Love's diapers. Those are priced at $7.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5.50. We have Pampers Splashers. 50 cents off for the triple antibiotic ointments. We have a couple of Hershey's and Reese's coupons for buy 3, get 1 for free. All right, moving on down. We got 1 off 1 for the Maybelline New York lip products. 25 cents off for the DG Health alcohol. This is a really good deal. These start out at $1, so after the coupon, you're going to pay just 75 cents. All right, now let's talk about these Unilever brands. So we've got Degree, we have Dove, we have Axe, we have Suave, we have some more Axe, Suave, and Dove. We've got buy 1, get 1 free on the Dove hair therapy, and a 2 off 7 on the Dove products. This 2 off 7 on the Dove products I think is going to be a really good deal because we do have instant savings right now on Dove, Axe, and I want to say Tresemme. I will try to find the specifics and pop it up on the screen here, but I may not know until I get to Dollar General this morning. I'll try to find a sticker and see exactly what's included. But we have instant savings for when you spend $8 on Dove products, you'll instantly save $2. So we can definitely double up and use that coupon. Now, the reason why I haven't clipped it yet is because I want to come up with some deals first and kind of plan out exactly what I want to do, because some of these other coupons might interfere with each other. So you may not want to clip them all just yet. Now, this buy 1, get 1 free on the Dove hair therapy product, this coupon is glitching, and it is working on the Love Beauty and Planet shampoos and conditioners. They're priced at $7 each, and they are working with the instant savings. So it is a glitch, double glitch on the Love Beauty and Planet, okay? So if you pick up 2, so you're going to get 1 for free, so that's going to bring you down to $7. With the instant savings, you're going to pay $5 for 2, if I am not mistaken. I'm doing the math in my head right now. So that could be a really good deal as well. We also have 1 off 1 for the Axe, Suave, or Dove products, men's products. Now, I did make a note on this one. The lowest priced item that's working with this is the $2 Suave men's body wash. So after the coupon, you'd pay just $1. But again, this could possibly, some of these lower value coupons could interfere with that 2 off 7 Dove coupon that I showed y'all a second ago. I'm not going to scroll all the way back up. It'll take too long. So you know, you may want to hang on. I will be posting probably tomorrow about these deals, if not today. So I just want to make sure that I have everything figured out before I clip these to my account. They'll definitely be there by tomorrow. So I'm not worried about it. So we do have a 2 off 2 for the Suave hair products. That there was a ton of that included in the clearance event. We have a 2 off 2 for the Axe products. The lowest price item that I found was a $5 deodorants. So if you pick up 2 of those with the instant savings and this coupon, you're going to pay $6 for 2. Now this coupon was also glitching and working on the Axe travel size deodorants. They're priced at $3.05. So if you pick up 2, that's going to put you at $6.10. With the coupon, you're going to pay $4.10 for 2. But like I said, you can add something in there and take advantage of that instant savings deal as well. So again, I'm just going to try to figure out some good deals for us. 1 off 1 for the Dove Men Plus Care. Here's another one that could interfere with that 2 off 7. So we also have 1 off 1 for the Degree deodorants. These start out at $3.60. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.60, and that's for the men's or the women's. So that is it. That's what I think about these coupons. We've got some pretty good deals. And y'all keep in mind, we had Dove deodorant, we had Axe deodorant, we had Degree deodorants, all in the clearance, and Suave, all in the clearance event. So if y'all saw any of those products this weekend at your stores, you might want to swing back by there and go ahead and use some of these coupons on those clearance items. Might be an even better deal to go ahead and use those today during the clearance event. But I will be coming up with some deals, and I will update you guys as soon as I get them done. So make sure that you're subscribed and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on any deals. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I'm going to get ready and I'm going to run on out to Dollar General and find a couple of really good deals. And if I do end up picking them up, I'm going to let y'all know with another video. So before you go, if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to make sure that your notifications are turned on. Also, before you go, please hit the thumbs up button. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if y'all are going shopping today too. And take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day. And I will see you on the next one.